Is Southwest melting down again? On Sunday, January 14th, Southwest had 464 cancellations, and again the day after, Southwest canceled 638 flights. Let's break it down. First, you need to understand how Southwest operates its route system. Southwest uses a point-to-point route system where airlines fly between smaller markets at shorter distances. Most of the country's major carriers have adopted a hub-and-spoke route system, which allows for multiple spokes, or routes, to connect to designated hub airports, but Southwest is still not on that train. The point-to-point system allows Southwest to pick up different crews daily. When travel conditions are normal, this allows it to fly more routes in a 24-hour span than other airlines, but when there's a delay or a busy period, this can prove to be troublesome. And having crews scattered all over the country compounded the airline's problems. So now that we know that, what is going on with Southwest right now? The US has been getting slammed by weather these past 2 weeks, which totally ruined the Southwest flow and operations. Southwest has been delaying and canceling flights all around. Dallas Love Field, one of the biggest Southwest bases, has been getting hit by strong storms. Denver is getting hit by strong snow. Chicago Midway is having blizzard-like conditions. And even Nashville, which is the new Southwest base coming soon, is also getting hit by huge snowfall totals. When it is all said and done, the point-to-point system Southwest uses goes from efficient to disastrous, with just one large U.S. weather system. But you still need some context on how Southwest compares to other airlines. Southwest has a huge crew base at Dallas Love Field Airport, so the best comparison would be American Airlines at DFW, Dallas Fort Worth Airport in Texas. Dallas Love Field Airport is about 18 miles southeast of Dallas Fort Worth Airport. Both DFW and Dallas Love Field are very close to each other. So how does American Airlines compare to Southwest? American Airlines has an even larger hub in Dallas than Southwest and has only canceled 5% of flights, whereas Southwest has up to 20% of operations canceled. But let's not just stop there and say it's all Southwest's fault. The day after, United canceled 31% of its operations. Not just that, United was doing worse at Denver during the winter storm than Southwest was. So, with this, we know that the Southwest point-to-point system can be very profitable and efficient at times, can turn into an issue. But we still have to realize that Southwest is not doing horribly. During this weather system in particular, all airlines were facing issues. Well guys, that is all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed today's video and want more of these aviation news videos and breakdowns, drop a like and subscribe. For now, keep thinking and exploring the specks of the friendly skies.